sir. This is the starting. This is gonna be the boss. Yes, sir.
We got a nice little cook-off. Then we got these guys already got their stuff seasoned, ready to go. This is the father side of things. This is the son side of things. And we got our esteemed judges over there. Baby Liam chilling with Diksha, Richie Rich, little Ethan right there, and yours truly. So, even though this is Devon's channel, I still doing the video work for him, and it's gonna be a great night. So enjoy.
This is the king, and this one is the pretender, I guess. The dad and the son. Okay. And security.
Right? Looking scrumptious. Anything so far?
Yes, sir. The taste buds is gonna raise up.
What about you, bro?
Some pepper for the fruit.
All right. I love the competitive spirit. Let's see who's gonna come out on top.
I just take a taste. Can't go through, we lose.
Yep. All right. It looked like we're on the final stretch. See how the boys doing. But looks like that one already took his stuff off. Let's see. What you said, Ethan? Some look nice? Right. We're going to find out in a couple of minutes. Looks like Devon already off the fire, mixing up now. There's the final product. Devon?
No. This is cool down a little bit in the mouth, and then I'm gonna taste it.
All right.
Understand what we're working with.
Alright, looking good so far though, And let's see what's going on the dad's end. Looking great so far, but he's not off the fires yet. What's going on? Anything special while you're not off the fires yet? That one already off the fire?
Taking my time. My one is cooking still.
Alright. So
the race is not for the slip.
Race is definitely not for the slip. Alright. looking good so far. Anything special that will give you the edge tonight over your dad?
Experience.
Alright. So he said he's cooking from the heart, and you said experience. Alright. It all boils down to the end product, right? Looks so delicious. So
Wow.
what's going on?
Wow. Look at this. I can already tell you. You lose. You lost.
He loves.
Y'all can tell me.
Well, it all comes down to the taste test, right? From our one judge that we have. It all comes down to the taste test. Taste test. Good? All right.
This is the blind taste test, father versus son. I don't know which one belongs to who. So I'll go with the left one first. It looks good, well seasoned. And I'm gonna try some of the noodles first. Good, nice smoky flavor. And I got pepper and green onions. Chicken is well flavorful. Okay. I'm gonna cleanse my palate with some salad.
Yeah, come steady, man.
And I'm gonna try number 2. The noodles first, as before. Okay. This one is good, but that one had a little bit more flavor from the noodles alone. That one was probably cooked in a different vessel. Alright, we're gonna try the chicken. Chicken is good, nice flavoring. I'm not getting any pepper from this though. It's quite difficult, but I'll go with this one. I like this one better.
Which one? Which one?
The one on the left.
The one on the left.
This one.
All right. So the one on the left was Devon's.
It's very close. It's very close.
It's very close. The one on the
Very
left
close.
was Devon's, and the one on the right was his dad. So you saying that Devon's Chowmin is way better than his dad?
I am saying that I prefer this one over this one.
Okay.
Wow.
All right. Well, listen.
The noodles alone had more flavor by itself. This one, the noodles was just noodles. But this one had that, it had just a flavor to the noodles that you can just have the noodles by itself without the chicken and it would still be good.
All right.
That's
Well.
my reason.
Hey.
All right. Well. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.